Hey friends! Welcome to Kidz Adventure TV.
The dolphin is injured. It needs help. The dolphin was scratched by a fishhook. There's so much bacteria in the wound. Let's clean it up. Cover the wound with a gauze. Fix the gauze. The dolphin is hungry. Let's feed it. Let's protect marine life together. The jellyfish is sick. It needs help. The jellyfish came across with marine debris. Ooh, let's treat the wound. Unwind the tentacles. The jellyfish is hungry. Let's feed it. Let's protect marine life together. The hermit crab can't move. It needs help. It's pinned down under a fallen rock. Crack the rock. Cut off the seaweed. The hermit crab's shell is broken. Let's find a new one. Yeah, great! That's it! The hermit crab is hungry. Let's feed it. Let's protect marine life together. Who's stuck here? The pufferfish came across with marine debris. Let's get him out of there. Clean up the debris. click on the pufferfish to help him release gas. The pufferfish is safe now. Thank you. The pufferfish is hungry. Let's feed it.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.